Math my practice time 1. Question number 3. Write the 7th multiple of 9. 63. Answer is 63. Next, write the 12th multiple of 10. Answer is 120. Next, write the 27th multiple of 15. Answer is 405. Next, write the 7th multiple of 35. Answer is 245. Next, which of the following numbers have 56 as a multiple? Answer is 2, 4 and 8. Next, write the multiples of 7 which are greater than 28 but less than 60. 35, 42, 49, 56. Write the multiples of 5. Write the multiples of 5 which are less than 40. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35.